Okay, so today we're at the Wynn Resort in Las Vegas, Nevada. This is the 2-queen Wynn Resort room. Over here to your left, you have the bathroom with nice his and her sinks. You have lighted mirrors on the side of each sink. Over here, you have your bathtub with beautiful artwork. You have a nice walk-in shower. Can fit like at least 4 people in there. It's pretty big, guys. To your right over here, you have your toilet room. Behind us, you have 2 robes for the Mr. and the Mrs. And as you walk in here, we get to our living room area, but you have this nice big mirror right here. So when you get dressed, you can see yourself. See how you look before you go hit the town for the night. Over here to your left, you have pretty nice sized closet. You have your ironing board, your iron, extra pillows up there. And when you walk this way, you walk into the bedroom. It's a nice spacious room. 2 queen beds over there. Nice artwork behind the beds. On this side, you also have some nice artwork. You have a wood finish around all the walls. It's really nice and luxurious in here, guys. Over here you have a table where you can eat, order room service, or do whatever you want to do. You have a nice flat screen TV on the wall. Over here you have your mini bar, your snacks, whatever you want there. Right here you have your cups, your wine glasses. Down here you have your fridge, and it's a fully stocked fridge too. So whatever you take, you just pay for on your incidentals. Over here you have a little love seat in front of the bed. You also have a little bench in front of this bed. And yeah, so these open, and at night you have a beautiful view of Vegas, which is hard to see right now, but I'll try to get as close as I can. Yeah, that's not working, but everything's kind of mirrored. So you have a nice big mirror over here again. You have dresser space and drawer space over there. You have a nightstand right here, and you have an iPad where you can order everything, do everything you need to do on here, control the temperature, control the TV, and yeah. So again, we're at the Wynn Tower Resort, 2 queens. This is one of my favorite places in Vegas to stay, guys, because it's top of the line, one of the nicest hotels in Vegas. So again, hope you guys enjoyed the room tour, and we'll catch you at the next one.